Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be learning from A to Z. We will do the coloring for all these alphabets. Let us get started. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thank you kids for coloring all these letters with me. Let us read one by one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you kids for watching. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.